Hi YouTube, welcome back to the channel. In tonight's video I'll be looking at again the Panasonic FZ82. Believe it or not, I've owned this little camera for just over a year now, and I'll be honest, when I initially bought it, I bought it to do video work and I wasn't expecting to use it as a stills camera at all. It shoots 4K, so that gave me a lot of options in that area without having to spend an awful lot of money. So that was one of the reasons this little camera was the one I chose. However, since owning it, it's ended up being my go-to camera for holidays and for family days out, where carrying a lot of camera gear is often frowned upon, if you know what I mean, which you probably do. So in this video I thought I'd share with you some of my favourite shots I've taken with this camera over the past 365 days. So there you have it, my favourite shots I've taken with this little bridge camera. Bridge cameras tend to not have the best of reputations. They tend to be looked down upon, and that's mainly down to the fact that a lot of them, despite having great lenses, do have a very small sensor inside them, and that can often lead to large amounts of noise in some of the photographs they take. The FZ82 is quite guilty of that, unless you learn to control the ISO and keep the noise levels down, and then I think it can produce results akin to that of an entry-level DSLR. In my opinion, I think it's an ideal camera for those wanting to move away from a smartphone and into a dedicated camera without wanting to have to invest into an interchangeable lens system. If you're new to the channel and you've not seen any of my other videos on the FZ82, then please watch a couple of more of my videos which are on screen now, and you'll learn more about this great little camera. Once again, thank you very much for spending your precious time watching my videos. It really does mean a lot to me. Please also feel free to subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up and hit the notifications bell, and you'll get to find out when I next load a new video.